How are you, my dear students? Welcome back to our science session. Today is Thursday. We'll complete our topic 15, which we talked about sink and float. Before we start, let's warm up. Be active, be strong.
Are you ready?
Ready?
Yeah, ready!
Don't be shy to do as me.
Clap your hands, jump, jump, jump. Spread your feet, hop, hop, hop.
Clap your hands.
Jump, jump, jump. Spread your feet, hop, hop, hop. Make a circle, turn around. La, 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 la. Make a circle, turn around. La, 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 la.
Do exercises.
Jump, 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 spread your feet, hop, 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 clap your hands. Jump, 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 spread your feet, hop, hop, hop. Make a circle, turn around, turn around, turn around. Make a circle, turn around, la la la, la la la. Make a circle, turn around, la la la, la la la. Make a circle, turn around, la la la, la la la.
I think now you are very active. Let's start our lesson. We had new vocab last time. We talked about float, sink. We said float, light, sinks. They float up on the water. Sink moves down in the water. Sink for heavy things, they sink in the water. So here, float up, light, float up, light, sink heavy down, sink heavy down, sink heavy down. Let's look at the picture, this picture here. What do we see here? Some objects float, others sink. We have here ball. What is this? Boat. What is this? Leaf. Excellent. Here we have bottle also. We have this duck. We had also cork. Do you remember cork? We said it's very light, so it will move up the water, float on the water. Okay, so here we have ball, boat, leaf. Okay, but we have other objects here. They sink. We can see here this, it's like key. Okay, we have rocks, stones. We have stones. The stones also, they are heavy, so they sink. As we see here also, we said if I have foil or clay, they will sink. Foil or clay, they will sink. Clay, foil, ball, they will sink down in the water. But if we made them as boat shape, the boat shape will make it float. It will float. So when foil clay can float, when they have boat shape. This is boat shape. Let's see this story about floating and sinking.
And Sinking, written by Honey Anderson, illustrated by Meredith Thomas.
Objects that float stay at the top when they are put into water.
They up in the water.
Objects that sink
Sink.
go to the bottom when they are put into water.
Down.
Try this. You will need water, 1 feather, 1 stone.
Feather and stone. Here, do you see the
Put
feather?
the feather into the water. What happens? Put the stone into the water. What happens? Does the feather float or does it sink?
This
Does the
feather
stone
for the
float or
birds.
does it sink?
Okay.
Now try this. You will need water, 1 small round stone, 1 big flat stone. Put the stones into the water. What happens? Do they both take the same time to sink? Now try this. You will need water, 1 table tennis ball, 1 big rock.
What will happen here? Tell me.
Put the table tennis ball
Look at
and
the picture. What
rock into the water.
happens?
What happens? Does a small object float or does it sink? Does the big object float or does it sink?
Okay.
Now try this. You will need water, 1 pin, 1 big plastic toy.
Any toy from plastic.
Put the pin and the toy into the water. What happens? Do small objects always float? Do big objects always sink?
Okay, write the answer from the video and tell me which will sink, which will float. Also, here we have another experiment students they make. Let's see together.
क्या है ये कौन सी शेप है we are going to do float or
We have
sink
some objects
activity.
here. We have water. We'll put these objects and see if they will sink or
Tell me,
float in the
ये
water.
क्या है water पानी को क्या बोलते हैं water ठीक है और ये water किसके अंदर है टब के अंदर water किसके अंदर है टब के अंदर क्या है water ओके फ्लोट का मतलब क्या होता है फ्लोट मीन्स कोई भी चीज जैसे ये बॉल फ्लोट मीन्स कोई भी चीज जैसे ये बॉल अगर पानी के ऊपर तैरेगी डूबेगी नहीं अगर पानी के ऊपर
Here it
कोई
will
भी
float
चीज
on the
तैरती
surface
है,
of the
तो
water.
उसको बोलेंगे
So
float.
here it's up.
Ball
up.
is floating
Ball
on the water.
Is
ठीक है समझ गए आप लोग?
floating. Yes.
Ball is floating on the water.
Floating
जो चीज़ पानी
on
के
the
ऊपर
water.
तैरती है, उसको क्या बोलेंगे फ्लोट जो चीज पानी में डूब जाएगी उसको क्या बोलेंगे सिंक
Ah, stone. We put here stone. Stone here will sink. Heavy.
फ्लोट मीन्स
Ball float up.
सिंक मीन्स
It's light. Sink means down. Heavy.
क्या है ये बताओ क्या है ये टेल मी क्या है स्टोन
stone. Say with them,
उठा के देखो,
stone.
heavy है ना? Heavy है ना? तो ये पानी के अंदर डूब जाता है, सिंक हो जाता है। ठीक है? अब मैंने क्या बताया? जो चीज़ हैवी है वो पानी के अंदर डूब जाएगी, उसको क्या बोलेंगे? सिंक। ये स्पून है, पानी के अंदर अगर डूब
Has
गया
it
तो क्या
spoon
बोलेंगे?
also? Spoon
Sink
will
हो गया।
sink down in the
ये
water.
ब्लॉक है,
Yes,
पानी के ऊपर अगर तैर गया तो क्या
हाँ।
बोलेंगे? फ्लोट हो रहा है।
floats.
ठीक है, वाटर के ऊपर फ्लोट हो रहा है। अगर ये साबुन, ये क्या है? साबुन।
Soap.
अगर ये साबुन पानी के अंदर डूब जाए तो इसको
What
क्या
happened
बोलेंगे?
here? Sink.
Very good.
Sink. Bravo. Excellent. I hear you.
ओके, अगर ये चीज, अगर ये क्या है? वुडन ब्लॉक। क्या है ये? कौन सी शेप है? नहीं, कौन सी शेप है? शेप बताओ। स्क्वायर। कौन से कलर का है?
It's an object. We'll see it will float or
पानी
sink.
के ऊपर तैरता है।
It will float.
फ्लोट। Very
Float.
good.
So again, let's revise the new vocab for this lesson. We had float, light. Examples here we have leave, cork. Okay, we have sink, down, heavy. We had example coin, we had coins as an example here. Okay, also we had example for sink, heavy, stone. Float, light, leave, cork. Sink, heavy, coin, stone. Also, we talked about foil, clay, they sink, but when they have boat shape, what will happen for them? They will float. When they have boat shape, foil, clay, they will sink in the water, but when we have boat shape, they will float. Also, we had hollow. We said hollow objects, air inside. Okay, hollow, cargo. We said cargo as bags. We have some cargo ships which carry bags and so on. Okay, hollow objects, they are light, so they float and they can carry cargo. Okay, let's answer now the workbook. This is our workbook. Page 63. Only this is a song, nothing to solve. Here only we read together. Will it float or sink? I have heavy When I see heavy, the answer will be float or sink. Will you choose one word? Yes, heavy means down, means sink. Okay, here when we have here light, we have light up. Up means float. Bravo. This topic, our topic 15 has finished. Thank you very much. Do your homework, do your experiment, and send for me. I wait. Thank you. See you soon, inshallah.